The top 3 challenges facing chemical manufacturers and distributors today are multi-layered and complex manufacturing processes, consistent and methodical application of quality control standards and testing, as well as stringent regulatory requirements around the storage, production, and transportation of chemical products. Multi-layered and complex manufacturing processes include batching, decanting, downstacking, and a number of other types. Those introduce masked visibility into inventory on hand, inventory requirements, as well as the true amount of work in process. Quality control application and standards presents challenges from a perspective of tracking what those standards are, consistently applying them, and then producing the required digital trace that proves that these processes are in place and being followed diligently. Regulatory requirements around the storage, production, and transportation of chemicals can include everything from safety data sheets, transportation of hazardous material, reporting on different chemical quantities, and the ability to do that without the requirement of significant overhead or labor involvement. Decision makers in these industries find themselves in some difficult positions sometimes. They struggle to find the balance between streamlined processes that are digitally based versus reliable paper tracking. They also find themselves in a position where they have to choose wisely where to invest. There are a large number of software providers, a large number of point solutions, and picking the right solution for where that company is at can be a difficult decision at times. The other position that we regularly encounter is balancing today's needs and today's size as an organization versus designing and building for the company of tomorrow, which is often much easier said than done. Successful companies and trailblazers are often doing a number of the following things. They are constantly looking for ways to move away from legacy paper documentation to digital entry directly into the system of record, which enhances your visibility instantly. They are also embracing batching and batch control directly in NetSuite. This provides them with higher visibility into work in process, current inventory status, as well as future inventory needs to support future manufacturing. They are also consistently seeking opportunities to deprecate manual generation of regulatory documents, as well as tracking them. Whether we are talking about a safety data sheet, whether we are talking about a hazardous material bill of lading, they are constantly on the lookout for opportunities to generate those documents efficiently directly from their system of record. Our solutions have helped clients really scale the throughput of their facilities, be it in distribution or manufacturing, without the need for additional labor resources or overhead. As a result of our transformations, our clients have also reported a reduction in regulatory fines and charges, as well as chargebacks from customers, seeing as their processes are now much more in line and compliant with the requirements from both their customers as well as regulatory agencies. Last but not least, our approach and solutions have helped smooth complex implementations with the ability to consolidate and unify processes, especially where clients have multiple facilities that are happening across geographies, time zones, and sometimes industries. To best serve clients in this space, we bring a variety of different expertise to our projects, starting all the way from solution architects who are chemists by background, to delivery resources that are chemists or have worked in and around the chemical industry for a number of years. Bryant Park also brings robust, well-rehearsed, and thorough partnerships with a variety of partners and software providers in the space, going all the way from warehouse management system providers to batching solutions and to quality control platforms that truly enhance our clients' ability to deliver. At Bryant Park, we also believe in the value and importance of process engineering as part of any digital transformation. And we bring a wealth of knowledge in the ability to not only examine our current processes, but also design net new processes that could be part and a very valuable addition to your ERP implementation. And like any mature industry, the more entrenched we become in our processes and the way that we do things today, the harder change becomes to navigate. So Bryant Park comes equipped with a very capable organizational change management practice that will partner with our clients not only to examine the right and the best approach to communicating change, but also to determine and to layer in the appropriate learning mechanism to upskill individuals, digitize our workforce, but also produce any necessary clarity around how these projects and how this transformation will assist our clients in being a better them tomorrow.